Yo, what's up, everybody? Today we're going back to the stock I posted last week, which is BitNile Holdings. BitNile Holdings with ticker symbol NILE. NILE. Okay, when I posted this video last week, this is only 52 cents or somewhere in that area, 52 to 56 cents, and I wasn't able to buy. And for some reasons, it went all the way up to 90 cents last week. I think I bought around 85 cents. I am still losing money on that, I think. I never checked my portfolio. The reason why I bought this late last week is I thought it's gonna go up right away. But for yeah, which is it did, but I was late in the party. But anyway, I'm okay with that. I got into my position, like I said, and if you notice, this week it created a little bit of sideways, but it gained some traction towards the end of the week. Uh, Towards the end of the week, I think, yeah, we closed at last Friday at 82.56 with an average volume of 161,000 or 161 million volume, which is a little bit overwhelming for a penny stock. But you might ask, how did it reach that kind of volume? Well, like I said, that's what like I said, what last week. That's what we need for us to be able to go to the next level up. So if you go to Google Trends, the Nile stock worldwide, it's getting a lot of traction. And if you go to your Reddit, this is the number one most talked about stock for this weekends. Look at that. So, according to StockWits, they've been making print screens. According to StockWits, it has 1198 watchers. If we scroll down, yeah, those are my two stocks. I got a Mullen and Nile, but I just posted Nile. I'd like you to watch this. Some people are even YOLOing. Look at that. Okay. If we go, I'd like to show you. This is a short clip about the video that they posted uh, last week. Just so you guys know, the Nile, BitNile Holdings, they're into Bitcoin. BitNile, Bitcoin. They are into Bitcoin, and they're also in EV charging station. So they just made three EV charging station here in Canada. Um, so right across Tim Hortons. Go in Twitter and follow Todd Milton. He's not the CEO, but he's one of the bosses around there. Um, and okay, the video technical difficulties. Here you go.
Plan is going forward.
Yes.
We are on plan, on target.
Yes.
I have said in a press release like 5 times we paid over 111 million for Bitcoin miners. I don't think people realize that the market cap of Nile was less than our deposit at Bitmain.
Yep.
So I don't need to talk about this anymore.
Okay, so there you go, guys. That should hype you up a little bit. That they are gonna mine 1 Bitcoin per day. So once that establishment is up, but on top of that, I've seen some videos. There were this is a really undervalued stock. Just so you guys know. Okay, so moving towards next week. Um, let's go to our chart here. Um, So moving towards next week, I can see that the Nile stock is uh, is still on a upwards momentum. See, it retraced a little bit, but it doesn't want to go down. It's gonna go. It wants to move back up. On a weekly chart pattern, I am seeing that Nile stock is just getting started. Look at that. The blue crosses over your brown. It's just getting started. Okay, but if you notice on the 1 minute chart, 1 minute chart doesn't really matter. We really need to focus on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, it's in a bullish price pattern. 30 minutes, right? But if you go to 4 hours, right, it's just getting started. In your 2 hours, it just crossed over. Okay, in the 4 hours, it's just getting started, but on a daily time frame, it's getting there as well. Okay, so we're not overbought, we're not oversold, we are in the middle of these channels according to our stochastic and the RSI. So your RSI, it doesn't say it's overbought or it's currently neutral. And in your stochastics, it is on the upward momentum. So with the blue crossing over your brown, it is on your upward momentum. Okay, so in a weekly price chart, it's just getting started. Um, so towards next week, I want to see the price going above $1. So I want to see the price action going above your $1. So for of course we have since our price move uh, right away from 50 cents going to 80 cents, which is crazy, right? Um, we have a little gap to fill here. This is the gap that we need to fill. Okay, wait. Let me uh, put that in once again. This is the gap that we need to fill, but for some reasons it doesn't want to fill that anymore. So for next week, if we go above if we go above $1, so this is the previous resistance that we have. So it went above 1.07, and the next resistance will be around somewhere here 1.35. And I think with the appropriate volume, since like I said, this stock has gained a lot of traction in Google Trends and in the in Reddit. Even if you go to Wall Street Bets, people is still talking about this stock. So uh, there's Mullen. Mullen is also another stock that they are talking about here in Reddit, but since Mullen is in a consolidation period, of course, stocks don't go upwards. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. It's in consolidation period. Right now, NILE is the current stock that people are looking at. So you see Tony Kukuk and Hulk Hogan here. They go hand in hand. On top of that, there's also AMC. AMC. Um, if you notice here, there's Still Rain, Sundial, Clever Leaf. So these are cannabis stocks that's on the rise. Why are they on the rise? Because the stock is, the cannabis sector is getting pushed in the Congress next week. Um, it's cyclical. These are cyclical stocks. They go up and down depending on the demand. But like I said, what we need, we don't need that. Those are just temporary. What we need is momentum that has a lot of volume, and Nile. Nile is the stock that has it all. It looks like Mullen, but um, Nile stock is very cheap. It has a lot of people following it, and it has a lot of volume. Okay, that's what we need. Um, on top of that, we are expecting a huge growth for this stock because of Bitcoin. Um, if you go to the price of Bitcoin, well, it's going up. Like I said, if it goes up and up and up, BitNile holdings will get a lot of traction. Okay, so that's my insight regarding BitNile holdings as a stock. Um, Hopefully, I can make another video next week. Shout out to Jason, my one and only subscriber. I like doing this. Hopefully, I can keep on going with this. I like the YouTube platform. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time.